Good morning, Mom. Today, I will show you the procedure and rationale of wearing and removing sterile gloves. First, hand hygiene. Then, remove outside wrapper by peeling apart side to expose the sterile gloves. Lay the inner package on flat surface. Lay inner package on clean, flat surface above waist level, about waist level. Then, open wrapper from the outside. Keeping gloves inside surface. The non-dominant hand should be gloved first. Ensures that close gloving technique is being observed. Then, grasp the inside edge of folded hand glove cuff with thumb and first two fingers of your dominant hand. Holding hands above waist, and then insert your non-dominant hand into gloves. Leave the cuff folded until the opposite hand is gloved, and then slip the glove hand inside the second glove cuff, still in package, and then pull over the non-dominant hand. Extending cuff down the arm. Then, glove thumb out, hold glove thumb out of the way so it doesn't contact in the ungloved hand. Next is keeping hands above waist. Adjust fingers inside gloves and touching only the sterile areas. Next is removing gloves. Removing gloves, the dominant hand grasps the outer surface just below the thumb and peel off without touching the exposed wrist. Next is place the ungloved hand under the thumb side. Place the ungloved hand under the thumb side of second cuff, and then peel off toward fingers. Holding the first glove inside the second glove. Discard in appropriate receptacle. Last is complete hand hygiene. Thank you, Ma'am.